Yeah, hello, good evening. You're welcome to another segment, another class of HTML. But this time around, before we go into the tags and the usage, continuation of the tags and the usage, let us look at what we talked last, that in terms of the HTML and the head tag. I'm going to be showing us a little description using the mobile app so that we can know how to use our mobile app to code. Then after the mobile app, I will now bring up the one for laptop. So first of all, like I said the other time, the application used for coding with mobile app is the Treb Edit. So if you have your Treb Edit installed on your phone through the Play Store, it will just be on your phone. Then you can click on the Treb Edit. Once you click on the Treb Edit, it will take you to this page first where you see your workspace. On your workspace now, you now see this plus sign. You click on plus. Let's say we want to create a folder, a new project. Let's say a new project. We'll click on new project. Then we can first click on testing. Just testing. Let's say testing. Then we save testing. Then in testing now, let's open another file again. In testing folder, we open another file. We say create. We just call it a file. Say can just put it lesson 1. Remember to put your .html. Then we'll save it. So we have our lesson 1.html. We'll click on lesson 1.html. It will take us to the HTML coding environment on the phone. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are now going to start coding. We are talking about our HTML. If you watch down, we have so many tags down. So since we want HTML, you can scroll down, look for your HTML, or you can just come here, your code environment. You put the brackets, that's the open sign, the left hand sign, then HTML. After you close the bracket back, you understand? So you press enter. This is the HTML. And the next one we have is our head tag. Put our head tag, then we close the bracket. You can go down. Remember, after the head tag we have the title. Then you come here, you open up, then you say the title, and you also close it back. Let's say our title will not be can just put welcome to my page. Just say welcome to my page. This is our title. Then we close it with a closing tag. Your title will have an opening tag and a closing tag. We'll do the closing tag, title, and we close it, then enter. Since we are just working on the head alone, we close the head tag. We close the head tag with a closing tag too. The head tag, then this is the end of it. Then we'll now close the HTML too. Remember, anyone you open, you close it too. We close the HTML. Then close. So after closing now, we'll now say play. Go to play. Just click around there, you see play here. You click on play. So now look at our description here. Welcome to my page on the top of the page. So this is the only thing you achieve because it's on the title. This is the only thing we can achieve now with this particular one. So if we want to put other tags on the head tag that should be there too, also add those ones too. But for now, let's just try out this with our mobile phone and see the result. Once you are done with it, screenshot this particular page, screenshot it like this, just do a normal screenshot, then you send it to the WhatsApp group so that we can now review it. So thank you so much. This is how to use your mobile phone to start your coding. You can actually code through using your laptop. So why coding using your laptop? You need to go through the notepad. We need to go through the notepad, and then going through your notepad, you can actually get in your app for your notepad. Your app for your notepad. You can come here and say type on note, then this is a notepad. This is your notepad. So now we have the application that's notepad. So the next thing we're going to do now is we can start coding here now. Let's say we're starting with the HTML. H down, you come here, you put your head. Remember we're talking about the head tag. The head. After the head, the next thing is the title. Then we close the tag. Then we can now put our welcome to my page. Welcome to my page. Then we close the title tag. Close the title element. Then the next thing, after your title element, you come to your head. You close the head element. Then the next one, you close your title, your HTML. You close it. So now the mobile app, once we're done with this, what we did was to click on play. So it now took us to the browser and displayed the result. This one is not like that. This one now we'll go to file. From file we'll go to save. Let's say save. Now you can save it in any of your folders. You can save on your desktop. You can save anywhere you want to save. Assuming you created a file. Let's say for example, now let's create a new file. Let's create a new file called testing, just like we did with our mobile phone. Now we have testing now as a folder. We go to the testing folder, then we can now save this particular one as lesson 1. Don't forget your .html. So now you say save. Now we'll now come down to our testing. This is our testing here. We'll just the file we created. You click on the testing. Then you see your lesson 1. Click on lesson 1. It will now take you to a browser. To take it to your browser. It will load the browser. I see the system is hanging. Let's see. Okay, now to load to a browser. Now it has loaded to this browser. This is our code. The code we just wrote is just simple code for title. So you see your welcome to my page. So this is it. You understand? So I also want us to try it out and see the results, so that we'll know that yes, we're actually following. So thank you so much for your time, and we are going to come back to more of the codes and work on some other elements too. So thanks so much.